Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are diving into another birthday gift my son received. And honestly, I'm super excited because I have never unboxed something like this before. This one's from Pine Kids and it's called the Stacking and Tumbling Tower. Yup, it's what most people on social media call Jenga. I have seen so many videos of people playing this game and today is my first time trying it out. So let's get into it. This game is ideal for kids aged 5 and above and it's supposed to boost concentration, brain development and even social interaction. Sounds like a win-win, right? Here's what the front looks like. Lots of neatly stacked wooden blocks. And on the back, we have got some simple instructions on how to play, how the game ends and who wins. Oh, and yes, this is made in India. It's all wooden and you can find it online, usually priced between 250 to 1000 rupees depending on the brand. I'll drop some links in the description if you want to check it out. Alright, let's cut this tape and open it up. Oh, and look at that. Neatly stacked blocks wrapped in plastic with the Pine Kids logo printed on each one. Let me just remove this plastic. And boom, a little mess on the table, but that's part of the fun. The blocks feel really premium, lightweight, smooth and soft to touch. No sharp edges, which is great for kids. But a quick heads up, it does come with a choking hazard warning, so definitely not for kids under 3. Okay, time to build the tower. Here's how it goes. Take 3 blocks and place them north-south. Then 3 more east-west and repeat. Basically, keep alternating directions until all 54 blocks are stacked. That gives us 18 floors in total. Let me get this tower nice and balanced and done. Now comes the fun part. The rules say you can use only one hand while playing, so I'm using my left hand. Let's see which block is loose. Ah, got one. Gently sliding it out and placing it on top. So far, so good. But the more I remove from below, the wobblier it gets. And that's when it gets real. It's like a mini earthquake. You never know when it's gonna fall. Okay, we are at 20 levels now and wow. It's shaking every time I touch it. I can totally imagine how much more fun this would be with a group of friends or family. Definitely a game full of laughs and suspense. Let's keep going and wait for it. Boom! There it goes. I made it up to 25 levels. Not bad for a solo first try, right? Phew. That was thrilling. Honestly, even playing solo is super fun. You're basically challenging yourself to keep the tower up as long as possible and as high as possible. Now, I am rebuilding the tower. And you know what? That part is actually really calming. It's kinda like meditation. just stacking blocks, being in the zone. It's almost therapeutic. And we are done. Back into the box it goes. Overall, this is a great game for kids and adults alike. If you're looking to keep your kids engaged this summer or want a fun game, night activity, definitely give this one a try. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this unboxing and gameplay, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more fun videos. Let me know in the comments if you have ever played Jenga or how high you have gone before it toppled. See you in the next one.